Hey everybody, Kyle, not your average finance guy. I want to talk to you again about some free resources we've got on our website now. Everything is up and running, and all the bugs are worked out. So kind of want to take you to that and show you what we got there. Again, everything's free. I'm not charging for anything. This is to help you guys out. I hope it's my goal to give everything free on this YouTube channel that you guys can just take it and run with it and completely help yourselves out and grow. But here, let me show you what we've got here. Okay, so here's the website, and then if you go to up here the free resources, you can book a consultation. We do have some other services if you want to work one-on-one. I do have to charge for that, obviously, but that is not my goal. My goal is to help you guys do everything that we can on this channel. So if you hit the free resources, and then it'll take you to the know your numbers. I just did a video on that one. So the next one we'll look at, we'll click on the HELOC calculator, and then what it does is it comes up here and go ahead and it goes to your downloads, and here we go. So all right, let's go with, I'm gonna have to, okay, as I zoom in here, some of the columns are not working properly, just so you can see better for the video. So got that changed up. So basically what you do is in here in this cell you put in what's your home worth. Go into Zillow, maybe you get a Zestimate. Everyone kind of knows about what it's worth, right? So for this example, let's say that the house is worth $350, and it looks like how much you owe on your home is $225. Maybe maybe it's worth $500,000, and maybe you owe, I don't know, $375,000. Whatever numbers you put in the yellow right here, the green will then populate. Okay, so based off these random numbers I just threw in there, there's $125,000 of equity. Okay. The HELOC that's available, banks are all kind of different. So what they'll do is they'll either go 75, 80%, 85, or I've seen 90%. LTV is loan to value. So what this is, the way you calculate this, you can just do it at home on a spreadsheet, or this is a spreadsheet that'll work, or you can do it on a calculator. So home value times 0.75 subtracted the amount owed. So we don't even have 75% of an LTV on this one. So hopefully your bank would at least give you an 80% LTV, which is pretty common. 80, 85, 90, 75 is depending on your credit. Maybe they wouldn't give it to you, but if you got decent credit, you should be able to get something in here just fine. So with these numbers, you should be able to get at an 80% loan to value, most banks should offer. You should be able to get a $25,000 line of credit. That alone, it might not seem like much, but it can knock out how many credit cards just there in one fall swoop, and really up that cash flow and get things rolling for you. So maybe your home is worth $100,000. This works for everybody, okay? And if you owe $50,000, hit enter. You've got $50,000 of equity. Now, if you can only get a $75,000 loan to value, they're gonna give you $25,000. What this means is 75% of the value of the house. Okay, so the value of the house is $100,000. They'll give you 75% of that, which would be $75,000. But then they subtract how much you owe on it. So that way you'd have $25,000 left on a 75% LTV. All right, so just a quick and dirty calculation, super simple, and just wanted to show you this spreadsheet to kind of give you an idea before you go down and talk to the bank. You kind of have an idea of how much equity you might be able to get. I've got a video on HELOCs, the ultimate debt tool. Check that one out, and that kind of spells out more of where we want to be with the home equity line of credit and what to look for. Remember, do not get a home equity loan. We want a home equity line of credit. It's a revolving credit where we can pay a big chunk off and then we can take it right back out. That's what we need for velocity banking. You can get into the IBC concept, infinite banking concept. We need to be able to move that money quickly and let it flow. So quick spreadsheet. Hope this helps, and good luck, everybody.